Imagine turning a simple paragraph into a professional-looking video in just a few minutes, without filming, without expensive software, and without any video editing experience. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pictory AI transforms text into engaging videos using artificial intelligence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create videos for YouTube, social media, online courses, marketing, and much more. Let's get started.
Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we explore the best AI tools and online tools for content creators. If you're looking for an AI video generator that can automatically turn scripts into professional videos, then you're in the right place. Whether you're a YouTuber, educator, freelancer, marketer, small business owner, or complete beginner, Pictory AI can dramatically reduce the amount of time it takes to create high-quality videos. In this complete beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Pictory AI's powerful text-to-video feature from start to finish. Along the way, I'll also share practical tips to help you get better results and avoid common mistakes. Creating videos the traditional way usually takes hours or even days. You have to write a script, record footage, edit clips, add music, create subtitles, insert transitions, and export everything into a finished video. For many creators, that's simply too much work. This is where AI video creation tools are changing the game. Instead of starting with a camera, modern AI platforms allow you to start with something much simpler, a piece of text. You provide a script, and the AI searches for relevant visuals, matches scenes to your content, generates subtitles, adds transitions, recommends background music, and helps assemble a polished video in a fraction of the time. Among the growing number of AI video generators available today, Pictory AI has become one of the most popular because of its ease of use and powerful automation. So, what exactly is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is an AI-powered video creation platform designed to transform written content into professional-quality videos. Instead of manually searching for stock footage and assembling everything yourself, Pictory automatically analyzes your script and recommends scenes that closely match your narration. It can also generate captions, organize your video into scenes, add transitions, include background music, support AI voiceovers, and make the entire editing process much faster. One reason many creators like Pictory is that it doesn't require advanced editing skills. The interface is beginner-friendly, while still offering enough customization for more experienced users.
Now, let me show you how to use the Pictory's text-to-video feature. Watch this.
Got a script or idea? We'll show you how to turn it into a video instantly using text-to-video. With text-to-video, you can turn any script into a fully edited video using AI. Start from the homepage and click Text-to-Video. Paste your script or type your content directly into the editor. Keep your sentences short, clear, and easy to follow. You can also use AI to generate a script from an idea. Choose how scenes are created using sentences or line breaks. Select your video format, aspect ratio, and brand kit. Click Generate Video to turn your script into scenes. Pictory will automatically create scenes for your video. Each scene is paired with relevant visuals and captions. You can edit text, visuals, and timing for each scene. Add music, voiceovers, AI avatars, and branding to enhance your video. Preview your video and make final adjustments.
And that's how you can use Pictory AI's text-to-video feature to generate videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Recreators Lab, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on the best AI tools and online tools for content creators. If you'd like to try Pictory AI yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I truly appreciate your support. Finally, if you're serious about creating better videos with AI, don't stop here. Click the video that's on your screen right now because it walks you through another powerful AI tool that can help you create content faster and more professionally. I'll see you in that video.